Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to redeem the Croma gift card. Okay, I've earned this gift card from Microsoft Edge. You can check my video library, so you will find how to earn this gift card from Microsoft Edge just by browsing the internet. Okay, so many like Amazon gift card I have um, already redeemed. I just tried this one. Okay, so this is Croma. So go to Croma website. Okay, and after signing in with your email, so go to this menu, and down you can see gift card. Okay, so after clicking here, you just go here, and here check balance. Okay, if you go to check balance, now here you have to enter the 16 digit Chroma e gift card number. So you must go to this email. So this is 16 digit gift card number. I'm just simply copying it and just paste it here and says check balance. Okay, so this is balance remaining is 500 expiry date. So this is uh, your e-gift card, how you just redeem your gift card. It has a validity also. Okay, but you haven't redeemed yet. Okay, just you just go to uh, like buy any items. Okay, so many things you can see here, like phone and wearables and all the things like under 500 you can see. Okay, so actually I have already added one item in cart. So this is Bajaj iron. Okay, Bajaj Majestic. So it's 579. Okay, so I have 500 rupees gift card. Okay, just you go to check out, and you just go to proceed payment. Okay, after this you can see the various options for this one, so credit card, EMI, UPI, and net banking. But we have gift card voucher. Okay, so go to gift card voucher and select here, and you can say the gift card. Okay, so here now same um, 16 digit number, just paste it, and you will find this card pin in same email. Okay, I'm just copying it and going to Chroma and paste it here and say apply. Okay, so uh, payable amount is 108 rupees. Okay, so 500 is already like deducted from my gift card, and you can see uh, 108 rupees I have to add. I'm going to pay it now. Okay, so I'm going to pay with UPI. Okay, generate code. So I will pay from here. So I will skip this portion. Okay, done the payment. So thank you for shopping with us. So this is my product. Okay, 579, and with the delivery charge I have paid extra 29 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can redeem your Chroma gift card. Thank you so much.